LuBian wallet breaks 3-year silence with $1.3 billion Bitcoin move. Just one day after DOJ crackdown, coincidence. Bitcoin mining, DOJ. After years of silence, LuBian's $1.3 billion Bitcoin move echoes not from theft, but from the shadow of Chen Zhi's $15 billion empire, where stolen crypto, forced labor, and U.S. forfeiture converge. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, October 15, 2025. A Bitcoin wallet linked to Chinese mining pool LuBian has awakened after more than 3 years of dormancy, transferring nearly $1.3 billion worth of BTC just 24 hours after the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, announced one of the largest crypto forfeiture cases in history, which the firm was allegedly linked to. Blockchain analytics firms LuBian and Arkham Intelligence tracked the movement of 9,757 BTC, which is worth around $1.1 billion, to several new addresses. Hours later, an additional 2,129 BTC, about $238 million, was transferred, bringing the total to 11,886 BTC, now valued at over $1.3 billion. However, the timing has sparked curiosity about whether the move was a precautionary reaction to the DOJ's crackdown or a long-planned reallocation. Blockchain analysts note that similar awakenings often occur after major enforcement actions, as large holders attempt to reorganize funds, enhance privacy, or preempt potential freezes. However, some market observers caution against reading too much into the timing, pointing to recent activity among Bitcoin mining firms adjusting their treasuries amid volatile markets. Mara Holdings purchased 400 BTC, about $46 million, on October 13, increasing its reserves to 53,250 BTC, worth over $6 billion. Riot Platforms produced 445 BTC in September and sold 465 BTC for around $52.6 million, maintaining a 19,287 BTC treasury. Bitfarms sold 1,052 BTC in Q2 for about $95,500 each, retaining 1,402 BTC by mid-August. These data points show a divergence in miner strategy, with some accumulating amid price dips, while others liquidate to fund growth and operations. Whether defensive or strategic, LuBian's reemergence and a $1.3 billion Bitcoin shuffle right after a major DOJ announcement have set off one of crypto's most compelling mysteries of the month. The curious coincidence between DOJ's case and LuBian's $1.3 billion move. The timing of this move has sparked speculation across the crypto community, coming less than 24 hours after U.S. prosecutors unsealed an indictment against Prince Holding Group, a Cambodia-based conglomerate accused of orchestrating an international crypto fraud and money laundering network. The DOJ's complaint seeks to forfeit around $14.4 billion in Bitcoin, allegedly tied to schemes run by the group's founder, Chen Zhi. Court filings allege that Zhi and his associates laundered illicit proceeds through large-scale mining operations, including Warp Data in Laos, its Texas-based subsidiary, and LuBian in China, which ranked as the 6th largest Bitcoin mining pool in 2020. According to the DOJ, these companies produced large sums of clean Bitcoin dissociated from criminal proceeds. Adding to the intrigue, Arkham Intelligence previously reported that LuBian had been hacked for 127,426 BTC in 2020, worth about $3.5 billion at the time. Arkham's September report noted that 11,886 BTC had been moved to recovery wallets, which is the exact same amount that just became active this week. The reactivation of those funds, following years of silence and within hours of the DOJ's major Bitcoin seizure, has raised questions about whether the two events are connected or coincidental. If the DOJ succeeds in its forfeiture claims, it could mark one of the biggest additions to the U.S. government's Bitcoin holdings to date, further strengthening its role as a leader in the crypto space. These developments come amid Washington's formal establishment of the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, SBR, a controversial initiative seeking to convert seized assets into a sovereign digital reserve, thereby showing how the crypto crackdown is evolving into crypto custody at the highest levels of government. Crypto crackdown to crypto reserve. Inside the U.S. government's growing Bitcoin power. What began as a crackdown on illicit cryptocurrency activity has quietly evolved into one of the largest sovereign Bitcoin holdings in the world. In March, President Donald Trump signed an executive order establishing the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, SBR, a move that effectively formalizes the United States' role as a major player in the digital asset economy. The reserve is designed to hold Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies seized in criminal and civil cases, a departure from the long-standing policy of auctioning off confiscated coins. By August, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent estimated that the federal government already controls between $15 billion and $20 billion worth of forfeited Bitcoin. Current data suggests that the United States now holds roughly 197,354 BTC, valued at around $22.45 billion, placing it at the top of the global leaderboard of government Bitcoin holders. China follows closely with an estimated 190,000 BTC, while the United Kingdom, Ukraine, and the United Arab Emirates round out the top 5 sovereign holders. In September, Congress advanced a bill requiring the Treasury Department to deliver a detailed report on the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve within 90 days of enactment. The report will assess the feasibility, security, and accounting of a government-managed Bitcoin stockpile built primarily from seized cryptocurrencies. Senator Cynthia Lummis, one of the bill's strongest supporters, has said the reserve will allow the United States to secure its debts with a hard asset and ensure transparency through on-chain audits. Industry figures, including Galaxy Digital's Alex Thorne, have suggested the reserve could be formally operational before the end of 2025. Meanwhile, the global conversation around sovereign Bitcoin reserves is gaining momentum. Nations such as Bhutan, El Salvador, and Kyrgyzstan have either established or advanced plans for state-backed crypto reserves. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. XRP Price Prediction. SEC filings hint at imminent ETF launch. Is this XRP's moment to hit $1,000? New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Ripple's Swell 2025 event could change everything. 3-week countdown begins now. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow could trigger a crypto market crash. Here's what to expect. Why is crypto down today? October 14, 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Big buyers are back after the crash. Explosive rally is starting now. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $63 million whale dump hits Binance. But smart money is already buying the dip. 3 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who made $160 million from BTC crash is building massive shorts again. Another meltdown ahead? 1 day ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 10 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.